Hello, it's your old buddy Justin, and today I'm going to show you how to install an air filter in your Defender L663. Super simple job, just requires some Torx, a little bit of patience. Run the intro and then meet me back here. The first thing you're going to want to do is pull this little plastic cover off. You hear that? It just kind of pops out. Don't force, don't yank. It just snaps in place with these little rubber grommets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Easy peasy. We'll get that out of the way. We're going to want to get this little clamp off the airbox lid. I bet you could leave it together and jam it, but what did we just say? We're not going to force. So we're going to loosen this up. That way we can get the accordion plastic ductwork off of the air filter housing, allowing us more mobility to get that lid off. Next up, we're going to get this clip off. You need to slide this back. Oh boy. My fingernails are not that good. You want to be nice and gentle. So I use the tip of the screwdriver. See if you can see me push it in. I can usually get a fingernail under there, but not today. So I used the screwdriver, just gently turned it. That frees the clip. Pull that right out. Now the air box is ready to go. You're thinking, but it's not. It's actually connected with wires down the side. I'm going to get my favorite tool and pop those free. It's just these Christmas tree style plug-ins. You snap them in, snap them out. Don't cut the zip tie. Obviously we want to keep the wires routed the way they're supposed to be. I'll tuck that off to the side as we now move into removing the Torx. We're going to want to use a T25 Torx. There is 6 of them. And just gently take them apart. Hyperspeed. Here's a better angle. You can see the screws. Once I see the threads popping up, I stop. There's no reason to take them all the way out. If you do, you run the risk of dropping them. Then you're on that hunt, which is no fun. So as soon as you see the threads, you can be done unscrewing them. Let's take a look at this filter. Oh my God. That's a whole lot of Moab right there. That trip out west killed this air filter. You can see the dust in it. So far, my inner plenum looks pretty good, but I'm going to take this opportunity, clean all of the air box, get all that dirt out of it. I'll run a rag in here. I'm not using anything other than good old soapy water, not even soapy water, just clean water. Clean this out and clean that out. We don't want any chemicals going into the sensors. With the airbox clean, I'm going to set in the new air filter. Should lay nice and flush in there. I'm going to slide the lid back on and tighten everything up. Just a quick little tip, tighten these up by hand. Don't use the power tools. You're screwing into plastic. There, you'll see it bottom out and then it'll get tight. A lot of these guns are so torquey, you'll strip out the screws and then you're gonna be one unhappy camper, right? Oh, that's done. You get the idea. There you have it. It's a pretty easy job. So make sure you tighten down all the Torx, 6 of them. Don't over tighten. They'll get stripped as we talked about earlier. Put the wiring harness back in place, clip in your mass airflow sensor clip, and then slide the pin piece back together. Tighten down your straight blade right here. Make sure everything's sealed up right. And then you can put the vanity cover back on. We're gonna throw this in the dumpster. I'll see you guys on the next one.